A cheerful heart is a good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Proverbs chapter 17, verses 22.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Happy Sunday! Yay! Sunday as usual, it goes so well with a bit of soup and your fufu. And today the soup that I'm going to make for this Sunday happens to be no other than my delicious beef live soup. You know, the chop pasta. Good for a special Sunday like this. So please stay tuned while I walk you through how I was able to make this delicious live soup. Let's get started.
So here are the list of ingredients. So many parts of the cows is going to be used. I have my tomatoes, tomato puree, a bit of vegetables, which I'll also go ahead and link below. And as time goes on, you're going to see. So here I have my red and yellow onions, some ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper. I'm keeping it very, very simple with the blender bowls to marinate my meat. So here I have my cow veins, which is popularly known in Ghana as intini. I also do have some of the kidney parts as well, and you just use any part that you want, and it makes this soup extra delicious if you mix everything like I do in this video. Okay, so go ahead and put your blender bowls in, add a little bit of salt, and make sure it's very well seasoned. Go ahead and cook this or steam this on its own for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. You can see that juice is popping up. This amazing, and the aroma in here is so much divine. It's just so good. Reminds me of my popular spot in Ghana, that chop bar light soup that they made. Yes, this reminds me of that so much. And I'm going to now go ahead and stir it very well and cover it, allow it to do its work for another 5 minutes, and then introduce my tomato puree. Here you can also use tomato paste and mix it with just a little bit of water, and you get your puree. And you just go ahead and pour it on your meat, stir gently together so that you know that each and every ingredient here is evenly distributed. I like to always add some fresh herbs to my soup. It just makes it so much better. So I add some fresh rosemary in here, cover it, and boy, when you open, that aroma that is going to blow is just incredible. All right, so continue to make sure the meat is not stuck under the bottom of your pot. We do not want any meat burning here. Okay, so now we've built the flavors up, and let me tell you, it is amazingly delicious already. We just want to build it up more by adding some vegetables. I just added some zucchini, carrots, a bit of habanero pepper, onions, and 2 fresh tomatoes. And you already know that we season this meat using 2 habanero peppers already, so you just want to go ahead and taste and adjust to your preference. It is so much important to make sure that you're doing this on a low to medium heat. I do not like cooking things on a very high heat. I think it misses a little bit of flavor if you do it like that. So all that you have to do, just stir this, okay? Take a good look at this and allow this to boil as you see it doing here for the next 10 minutes, or until all the vegetables in here becomes very nice and soft and ready to be blended. Once I get to that stage, I'm going to take each and every vegetables out and I'm going to blend it until very smooth, and then I will add it back to the soup. This aroma in here is just incredible. It's killing me. So amazing. So all that I have to do, make sure I stir again so that nothing will get stuck under the bottom, and then add my blended vegetables, which is going to give it much more taste and even a volume. I understand this is light soup, but we do have people who like it a little bit thick, just a little bit. All right, so if that is you, go ahead and add more vegetables. Why not? Especially with the zucchini, it makes it a lot more thicker. Okay, so all that I have to do is drop in some few mushrooms, because we love mushrooms and beef soup. It's absolutely such a perfect combo. So I'm going to add my mushrooms in here and just allow this to cook. We're going to allow this to boil. We're going to allow this to boil for the next 10 more minutes, and our soup will be so ready. On the side, I'm going to also cook some okra because it goes so well having a little touch of okra on top of your fufu. You see how this soup is looking so lovely, the color, the thickness, everything is just incredible. And oh boy, it's nice and spicy. So if you have a little bit of cold, you are good to go with this one. So amazing. Just allow it to simmer for the next 2 to 3 minutes, and just look at that, it is ready. You can pair this with, of course, some very nice smooth and lump free fufu, which we did today. You can also pair it with some rice, which is amazing as well. And boy, oh boy, your Sunday will be sorted. That's how we do on Sundays in most Ghanaian homes. And boy, oh boy, it is so much deserving, and you're going to really enjoy. It will make you feel just like a home. I've shared how to make the best fufu using both plantain and fufu powder. I'm going to link it here below as well, so please kindly check it out. So there you have it. Our fufu is ready to serve and enjoy. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I truly really appreciate your time. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.